Good evening, everyone. Today I'm creating interactive dashboard in Excel. Here you can see I've taken one Excel file and I'm enlarging this field, or you can say changing enlarging this field so that each and every value should be visible. From the Excel file, I have created two pivot table and three slicers and one pie chart. Here you can see that one pie chart. Over here from this very pivot table, I've taken region and you can say total, and in second pivot table I've taken category and total. And you can change the name of this pivot chart, just like I've changed the names for sales. And you can of the in second pivot chart also, pie chart also, I've changed the name also because it is a region wise sales. You can change the region wise sales also, uh, so that it is use grid lines. You can opt the grid lines, and you can see in the options there, style option, you can change the style of your pie chart, whatever you want to take it. Just like I want to take this dark chart, and you can change the color also. See here you can take up the field also, percentage wise also, so that it should look impressive. In text field you can take the change the color also, solid fill also. Whatever way you want to show your fields, you can do it. And in this I have shown you how you can change the names and colors also over here. And in pivot chart you can see that I have taken white color so that should be visible, and I've changed the color also, region wise sales color, whatever color you want to have. Here you can see three slices over there. I've changed the names of the colors of the three slices also. You can see east and west in there, at the side of your pivot chart. But it should so to show your pivot chart impressively, or you can show your chart very you can say good way, you can keep it at words also. Here in the second foot sales chart, I have in text field I have highlighted the names of these category and values also. Here you can name the you can change the name of your pivot table also. Here it is written sales too, you can write just like it is a food about food sales, you can write the food sales also, so that it should be in the same name only. Because and here you can see it is written ID, but it is a region, so you can change the name of the region. You can write region also, and you can change the name of the pivot table also. Here I've written region sales. And in final sales, you can see this color is different from other color. So what I've done, I have copy and pasted. Now see here in slices and two pivot chart, to link these two pivot chart, what we can do here in report connection, we can connect it. And from report connection, when I have done this, you can see these both are connected to each another. This is a small impressive way of showing your pivot charts in Excel and making interactive dashboard.